What does human potential look like at your organization? Can it be seen with the naked eye? Or is it found on a resume? We believe the path to realizing true human potential begins by understanding behavioral DNA. Finding and developing the right person for the right job on a scientific level sets the stage for a successful career. At Infor Talent Science, we set out with one mission in mind: to predict talent. We assembled a team of industry-leading scientists, psychologists, and engineers to build a solution that provides deep insight into the behavioral DNA of each individual. Our goal is to equip your organization with reliable and scientifically backed information so you're able to select, coach, and grow top role-specific talent intelligently. Harness predictive behavioral insights to discover and develop new talent with Infor Talent Science. Learn more today